Hi, and welcome to Section 6, the on-the-fly system modifier keys of Zone 2. This group of keys contain the 9 keys that allow a counter to modify the conditions of a count, or make corrections to any errors made to the key punches, and to exit the counting process. The 9 keys are 1. Comment. 2. Switch to pedestrian. 3. Modifier. 4. Undo. 5. Orientation. 6. Weather. 7. Road. 8. Minus or plus key, and finally, number 9, the exit key. We'll start by looking at key number 1, the comment key. This key appears on both the start screen and in the modifiers key group. It allows a counter to post text comments during a counting job. When pressed, the comment screen is called. For details on the use of this feature, please refer to step number 6 in our help video on Section 4, How to Set Up a Counting Job, or refer to Section 6 of the Operator's Manual. Key number 2, the switch to key, is one of 3 switch to keys contained on the traffic screens. The first switch to key is in Zone 2 on each of the counting screens. On the traffic screens it displays a pedestrian icon and when pressed, calls the pedestrian counting screen. On the pedestrian screen, the key will show as a vehicle icon, and pressing it will call the traffic screen. The second and third switch to keys are in Zone 3 and appear in the lower portion of the vehicle classifications legend. Each key represents the vehicle classes contained on the other screens and they are used to switch between them. Key number 3, the modifiers key, is used to adjust the recording value for any of the 168 traffic, or 48 pedestrian counting keys. This function is designed to perform on-the-fly adjustments to the value of an individual or group of keys, reducing the number of key punches needed to carry out a count. When the key is pressed, the Modify Counting Keys menu is called. The menu lists 4 selectable multipliers by which to modify a key's value. They are ×1, ×5, and ×10, with another selection that resets all the keys to their default value of 1. The multiplier of 1 is used to reset any key previously modified by 5 or 10 times, without having to reset all the keys at once. To modify a key, from the Modify Counting Keys menu, select a value by pressing the radio button to the right-hand side of the desired list item. Next, select the key or keys to be modified. A multiplication factor can be applied to any counting key and different values can also be assigned during a modifier session. When the values of 5 or 10 are applied, the selected keys will display a colored ring on their circumference. The colored ring represents the multiplication factor and will match the color of icon displayed in the left-hand column of the menu. TAPCA's color-coded system uses these rings to act as visual cues that the key has been modified to record a specific value. To end the modifier session, press Set to return to the counting screen.